Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Dodge Ram garage door opener using an easy method. First, park your Ram safely outside the garage, ensuring you have clear access to your vehicle's interior. Next, grab your original garage door remote control, as you'll need it for the programming process. Finally, we'll clear any previous programming from your Ram's home link system to start fresh, making the setup smooth and straightforward. To begin, clear any existing programming by pressing and holding the two outer home link buttons on your Ram's overhead console for about 20 seconds. The indicator light will first flash slowly, then rapidly, and finally turn off, signaling a successful reset. Now, position your original garage door remote control 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold both the remote's transmit button and the desired home link button you wish to program. Keep holding both the original remote button and the home link button until the indicator light on your Ram's home link system begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing is a crucial signal, confirming that your home link system has successfully learned the code from your original garage door remote. Once you see this quick flashing, you can release both buttons. Your Ram's home link button is now programmed to mimic your original remote signal, ready for the next step. For the final step, locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually found on the back or side. Press and immediately release this button. An indicator light will typically illuminate for about 30 seconds. Quickly return to your Ram and firmly press the newly programmed home link button 3 times. The garage door should then activate, confirming that your Ram's home link system is now fully synchronized and ready to open and close your garage door with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.